Hey everyone, so today I'll be showing you what I got from ANNS, and this is my first video with braces, so I'm sorry if I sound weird to you, because that's what happened. Got them 3 weeks ago, so yeah, let's get on. The first thing I'll show you is the shimmer glitter glass beads, and they're black with like different colors in it, so that's what I got, but you can't really see it. But yeah, they were on clearance for $4.97. Another thing that I got was the jewelry designer thing. It's clip-on earrings, and they were on sale for $97. So if you run that, that's like $1 per package. And I just got these because I had a pair of earrings that I wanted to switch to convert. So yeah, I got them. Guess I can just. So I wasn't planning on getting these, but I thought they were adorable, and my mom thought they were adorable. And so my brother goes to Rose, and then he has a friend that is his girlfriend that also goes there. So I thought, well, maybe I could make a necklace for her too. So yeah, I got that. And to make it a necklace, I got some chain. So yeah, in case you got a bad look, there's everything I got. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and / this haul. And yeah, I wasn't planning on getting these things, but that's a 72-inch chain, long chain too, in case you were curious. And I don't know how much these two things were, but yeah. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in my next one. Okay, so I wasn't planning on doing this video, but first part of the video I said that I was going to just be doing a Joann haul, but now I decided I'm going to do a Mission Mart haul along with that, so that's why I have this stuff here. So let's get on with that. So I have some small beads, and these were both $1. But this is purple, and like they're purple glass E-beads. I don't know what E-beads mean. Might be a brand. But the regular price is like $3. But these were $1. So I got green and purple. Or pinkish. It's like a magenta. So green and magenta. Like milk Calgary. So next I got these like ivory, light gray, purple. They're very pretty, but they're like these. I thought they were really pretty and I wanted them, so I got them. These were basically $1 or 50 cents, but if you round it to cents range, dollar range, it's $1. But so these were 50 cents, so I got. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I'm gonna try and get you guys some better light. So here's what those look like. That's what these look like. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.